All right, you ready for some healthy blueberry muffins? Okay. So we've got 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of spelt flour, a little bit of whole grain in there, extra fiber. We got 3/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, half a cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, make it low sodium, of some kosher salt, the dry ingredients, mix that up. We're gonna make these totally vegan. All right, now for our wet ingredients, we've got half a cup of non-dairy, no salt, melted butter substitute, a cup of oat milk, and some barking dogs. My flax egg, 2 flax eggs, that's 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 6 tablespoons of water. Let that sit. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Gonna stir that up. Take our dry ingredients, make a little well. Pour this slowly in there. Stir so that everything gets wet, but not necessarily mixed too much, as you get tough muffins. Okay, perfectly moist. All right, let's fold in our blueberries. I'm not measuring my blueberries, I just like a lot. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna have mini muffins. So, let's pop a spoonful in each. I'll let that bake about 10 minutes at 400. All right. Voila, perfection. Just gonna let them cool and enjoy. Wow, they smell so good. So little cute muffins.